In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report or dashboard in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and go to the board or workspace you want to report on. This part is important because the data in your report will come directly from the board or boards you choose. Before moving on, take a quick moment to make sure the information in that workspace is up to date. Clean, accurate data will make your dashboard much more useful and easier to understand. Once you're in the right place, create a dashboard or open a report view. This is where your data will be turned into something visual and easy to track. A dashboard is especially helpful when you want to monitor progress at a glance, while a report view can help you focus on specific information in a more structured way. Choose the option that best fits what you need to present. Next, start adding widgets such as charts, numbers, tables, or batteries. Each widget serves a different purpose. Charts are great for spotting trends and comparing results. Number widgets help highlight totals or key metrics. Tables are useful when you want to display detailed records, and battery-style widgets are perfect for showing progress toward completion. As you build, think about what your audience needs to see first and keep the layout simple and clear. After that, connect each widget to the correct boards. This step ensures that every visual element is pulling data from the right source. If your team uses multiple boards for related work, double check those connections so your dashboard reflects the full picture. Even a well-designed widget won't be helpful if it's linked to the wrong board. Now apply filters for things like status, owner, date, or project. Filters let you narrow the data so the report becomes more relevant and easier to analyze. For example, you might want to view only active items, focus on a specific team member, or look at results from a certain time period. Using filters carefully helps reduce clutter and makes the dashboard more actionable. Once that's done, review the report data. Look over each widget and confirm that the numbers, labels, and visuals match what you expect. This is a good time to catch anything that looks off before sharing it with others. Finally, share the report or dashboard with your team. Once shared, everyone can use the same view to stay aligned, track progress, and make better decisions based on the latest information.